everyone, welcome to GrowingCraft, and I really hope you guys are doing good. So before we start this video, please do make sure that you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you do not miss out any of our updates. Now today what we are doing is a decoupage coaster on wood, and yes, just in case if you guys have not switched on the captions, you can do that will be easier for you. Now here is one of the easiest way of doing your decoupage fabric. So it's one of the craziest and one of the beautiful ways of making your own handmade coasters and doing the decoupage technique on wood with fabric, and trust me, it looks absolutely amazing. So here I had this beautiful jute roll and I thought of using this as my base for my decoupage art today. So I have used my Mod Podge, my decoupage glue, and once I'm done with the sticking work, I'm taking out all the excessive jute burlap fabric from this. So whenever you're doing your fabric decoupage, you need to make sure that your fabrics are like super easy to remove with. Now here I'm going to use my transfer sheet, and just in case you don't know what is transfer sheet, check out our other tutorials. We have done so many tutorials on transfer sheet home decor and DIY home decor, and you guys will love it. You can check out all our supplies collection on our website at growingcraft.com, and yes, do hit like button, and I'm sure you guys are going to love this. Just in case if you guys don't know, we have done so many coasters on wood, coasters with resin art, coasters with mixed media art, coasters with texture work, and all of them look absolutely amazing. Now here, whenever I'm using my transfer sheet, I make sure that I damp them really well with a lot of water, and once I stick this really well, I peel it off. So just because I was using a burlap base, so I had to make sure that it sticks well. So I had to put a little effort in like literally putting up my transfer sheet on the grooves. So here I have used my paintbrush, and then literally I took out my thick dabber and then I used that too. Now meanwhile here I'm using my ITD collection rice paper, and like these are one of my favorites the moment it comes to my decoupage or mixed media art. So yeah, when I thought of using this floral print, I was very sure that this burlap shade is going to go really well with my home decor, so I really loved it. Now here again I'm using my decoupage glue, my Mod Podge, and I'm going to make sure that I apply this generously so that it sticks really well on my base. So just in case if you guys don't know, we are there on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and whatnot, even on Pinterest too. So you guys can check us out on all other platforms for some inspiring projects. Now here sticking this was a little tricky because burlap sheets, they have this roll, they really have a very nice texture, and this has a very broader one. So sticking my rice paper, then my transfer sheet was a little trickier one, but trust me, it's like absolutely amazing. Now here I'm using my gold gliding brush, and I'm just trying to make sure that all the grooves really soak in my decoupage glue, Mod Podge, and my decoupage paper, rice paper, whatever I'm using, that really sinks to my base really well. So decoupage on wood is one of the best way to do your DIY home decor. These are also good for your customized gifting, and they look superbly awesome. So here I'm done with the removing of excessive parts. So I wanted to do some massive stamping. So here I'm using my massive script stamp, and trust me, it looks so gorgeous. Here I'm using my permanent ink pad. It's a Ranger collection of permanent black color ink pad. Now with the ink pads, I have realized that I really like the bigger ink pads. They are much easier to use than the smaller ones. Now just doing some de-stress ink work with my same ink pad just to blend in with my base, and once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to use my metallic waxes. I call them Nazar Ka Tika because they are like absolutely gorgeous and beautiful, and I'm just rubbing them around on my coaster just to make sure that everything goes really well and they have a nice festive look to it. So yeah, once I'm done with this, I'm going to seal this up with a varnish. Varnish is a must. It's very important whenever you are doing your DIY home decor crafts. So yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and try this out. Let us know if you tried this, how did it come out, and we will be more than happy to know. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and bye bye.